I don't know what's going on with Ipsy in the sense that they haven't had anything new come in. They are just recycling products, like. But please, Ipsy, stop recycling products. That's not cool, you know. Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins. So I attempted to do an unbagging on my phone since my phone quality is much better for my Ipsy, but it kept on rotating the camera all weird, and I'm like, you know what, forget it. I'll just film the video and do edits if needed. But anyways, so as I just said, and as it says on my title, today I'm here doing my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unbagging. And oddly enough, Ipsy sent my Plus in a bag this month. Previously, for the last year plus, we've been getting our Plus bags in a box. So I was a little shocked when I got this in the mail today. I almost thought it was my regular Glam bag, but I'm like, this is too big. The regular one's much smaller. And I know you guys did not see what I received for July, but my July bag arrived at the very end of the month, and by then I'm just like, you know what? Why am I gonna even bother filming this? It's just way too long. By the time I filmed, upload everything, it would have been August. So what's the point? You know what I mean? Like, get it together, people. Get it together. But anyways, if you don't know, Ipsy is a $25 a month subscription, and this is the middle range, and it comes with 5 full-size items with the minimum value of $120 and 5 full-size items. Now, they also offer the regular Ipsy Glam bag, which is $12 a month, and you get 5 deluxe sample sizes, travel sizes, and randomly we'll get a full-size item. Like last month I received the full-size Thrive lip liner, which I really liked. I actually wore it today, and then topped it with my Gerard Cosmetics gloss, which FYI, Gerard's Cosmetics does have 5 for $25 on their glosses. I do have an affiliate link down below if you guys are interested in picking any up. Ipsy also has their ultimate subscription, which is $50 per month, you guys. That's a lot of money, and it only comes with 8 full-size items and 4 samples. Honestly, like, I got it in June because I really liked the offerings that they had. They have a little bit different selection, but it's not worth it to me. You might as well get 2 Plus bags. Another neat thing that Ipsy just changed is that beginning August 1st, we were allowed to pick 3 out of the 5 items. Log into your account on August 1st for Plus only. You were able, or we were all able, to log in and actually customize 3 items. So they go to tier 1, basically the higher dollar items. You pick your item, and then you go to tier 2 and you pick your second item. Now, for example, for my second item, I picked brushes, which you'll see right now, and there would have been another brush somewhere. They actually graded out so you don't get like 2 sets of brushes basically. And then, you know, step 3, so they have like 3 different tiers and levels. At the beginning, you can see the 2 items that they actually chose for you, so that's actually nice as well. Before I go any further, do not forget, hit that subscribe button, and if you do like my video or you like me and my content, I would love if you would give me a big old thumbs up. Let's get to it and let's begin this unbagging. As I mentioned, this is kind of weird, and I'm kind of shocked that they're sending us our Plus bags in this padded envelope, because this is not very secured if you have a palette. So my first item, which is one of 3 choices, Larkuse. I cannot pronounce it, but this is one of their brush sets. So let's open her up. I previously did get this brand's brushes. I actually received the a mix set where it had face brushes and it had eye brushes. This is supposed to be a 4-piece set. Now, there's a few loose hairs, and either way, when you get any new makeup tool like this, brushes or sponges, you always want to wash them before you begin using them. But I have enjoyed the ones that I do currently own, and the reason I picked these is because I wanted this brush. This is a great brush for contouring, especially if you do creams and getting down the sides of your nose. This 4-piece brush set retails for $134, you guys. Do you think I would pay $134 for this for? No. My Hank & Henry brush set, the full set, was $136, which included 16 brushes total. So these are vegan, cruelty-free, hypoallergenic, all that fun jazz, but so are Henry. The next one, because we're pulling it mystery style now. Oh, this is an add-on. So another neat thing, you guys, I did not mention, Ipsy allows you to do up to 8 add-ons per subscription. Add-ons actually run for 3, 12, and 18. And this right here was only $3. And these are from Kit Sheet. I can't pronounce it. They normally run, it says $8, which is perfectly fine, but these are satin sleeping scrunchies. Now for the Ipsy bag itself. But this is the little Ipsy drawstring. I mean, this is cute, I guess, It's different. Let's just say that. You'll notice a trend. My next choice item was the Wonder Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation, which I am wearing it today. Oddly enough, I was expecting Boxycharm and this showed up. But anyways, so I do like this foundation very, very much, but I literally just received it a few months ago. The biggest issue I have right now with Ipsy, it's not that I don't like the products, because I do, is the fact that everything is old. Everything is repetitive. Everything is from previous months. What the fluff? You know what I mean? Why are our choices old things? Why do we continue to get old products? Come on. For this lipstick, so this is the Huda Beauty Demi Matte in CEO, whatever. It's this guy right here. But it's very similar to what I'm wearing now and many, many, many other shades that I have. So I think I'm going to save this for one of you guys, because I'm sure you guys would appreciate it much more than I would. For me, it would just be another lipstick collecting dust in my drawer if I'm not going to reach for it, because right now I'm trying to personally get through my lipsticks and use them more often before they expire, because I do have quite a few that are about to expire and are separating. So I don't want to be wasteful, so I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna save it, and this retails for $20 or $20. The next item, which was a choice, but in this category the choices were very slim. This is the Laura Geller Kaja Longwear Eyeliner in Coal and Glidden Bronze Coal. I personally do like Laura Geller's liners. See right here. And this is actually different because it's a much bigger tip, so it's easier to put it on your lid and smoke it out. It feels really nice and creamy, so I'm down for that. This had a retail of $22 as well. Again, I do like their normal formula, so the Incredible line, so I'm definitely excited to try this guy out. This is my first chunky one. Chunky. So my last item in my regular plus bag is from Beauty For Real. It's their dual set of their eyeshadow crayons. So you could see the shade tones. They look identical, you guys. Look at that. One's like a brownish, you know, metallic, and the other one looks like a highlight tone. I don't like these at all. I have no clue how they put these in my bag. Like, these are not part of my profile at all. So I'm not keeping them. I'm gonna save them for a giveaway. I hope one of you guys would appreciate them. I do like eyeshadow crayons, but not metallics. It's hard for me to layer. You're gonna do a full shimmer eye, so I'm gonna save them for a giveaway for you guys. And this retails for $36. $36! Why? I got two last items. This guy right here, and I'm so excited to get it. This is the Thrive Mascara Liquid Lash Extension Mascara. Everyone raves about it, and as of late, I've been obsessed using tubing mascaras, which is it's that type of wand. So I'm so excited to test this out. Like, I've been in love with the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. I just tried out today the Essence Princess Lash, and it was so nice. Oh, I almost feel like this is definitely going to be another winner. I wish I would have had a full size, but they only had this as a add-on for travel size for $3. But again, $3 is not bad because the full size is like 20 something. So I'm sure travel size would probably run anywhere from $10 to $12. So I'm excited to be able to try it out for $3, and I have high hopes for it. And my last item was an item I claimed actually through points. This was 600 points on Ipsy's site. You know, just like Boxycharm, you can do reviews, or when you refer customers or subscribers, you get points. So I've been wanting to try this brand's brushes, which that was the other brush they had to offer, was the contour, the big fat contouring brush, but I removed it from my options after selecting those. But that was only one brush, so that's kind of weird. But anyways, so this is an all over shader brush, and this feels so nice. Like, this feels really nice. Like, it has a nice grip handle. So I'm glad I was able to get this. I wish I would have been allowed to grab more than just one. Like, I had enough points for 10 of these guys right here. And this is, it's hot, you guys. It's like over 90 in my room. Right here is our little card that they do send us, and it says the future is yours. So they're doing kind of like the back to school theme in general, and it says save the dates. So our next time we'll be able to do our choices for Plus, since it's changed. Now we get 3 choices. Well, September 1st through the 3rd. So that's nice that we get 3 days to choose. But anyways, you guys, because I'm melting, like the good witch said, I'm melting. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. Do let me know in the comments below what you think of my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Do you think it was worth 25 bucks? Do you think it's a waste? Because a lot of items are duplicates. Let me know. You know, you kind of see where I feel like. I just really wanted to test the program and see how it was gonna work. It wasn't too much of a mess, but definitely for me, if it weren't that I was trying to see how the program worked, I would have definitely skipped this month, because I knew going in that most of the items that were in the options were repetitive for me, that they were all things I've already gotten previously. I don't know what's going on with Ipsy in the sense that they haven't had anything new come in. They are just recycling products. Like, stop it. You know, I understand everyone's having supply issues, but please, Ipsy, stop recycling products. That's not cool, you know. But anyways, thank you all so much. I greatly appreciate you. Have a beautiful day, a beautiful night, whatever time it is for you. And goodbye.